guys, it's me, Workins574, and guess what? I'm getting the Clover puppy. Oh yeah, that's right. And I'm gonna get it this Thursday, I think. Yeah. Right. Sorry, but right now I'm changing my profile picture to my seal. Open on Animal Jam. Yeah. So, look at the little mouth right there. That's perfect. Okay, well, yeah. I got the Clover puppy. It's gonna be coming like on Thursday or something, or, yeah, I don't really know. I just know it's gonna come on either Thursday or Wednesday. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.